So as of now, we do not have any iOS app, although we do have one for the Android. So how can we use iOS in a way that it feels like an app and it runs like an app only, and it gives us the smooth experience that we get in the app? So first of all, we will click on this share button or share icon, and we'll scroll it up, and we will see an option with add to home screen. So if we click on that, the default will come as this, and we have to save that. And we have saved it, and you can see it has come into the home screen as VCard Lite. So on clicking on that, I get a super app-like experience. It's very fast, so there is no URL bar and anything as such. So this is how you use VCard Lite as an app in iOS. Thank you.